Do you guys remember when I came up with a solution for that low profile ring, and we had a flush ring with that? I need a band, actually. I need my glasses for this because, wow. I came up with a genius solution. This video is all about that. I'm excited. Whenever there's a problem that I solve, I just, wow, put my glasses on and be like, I feel so satisfied. So they give you a little bit background story, okay? A lot of my clients who get low profile rings, extremely low profile rings, I'm talking about nurses, doctors, everybody that loves when a ring is super flat on your finger. One issue, when you try to get a wedding band, it doesn't sit flush. It creates a large gap between ring and band. And I get tons of emails with that. Oh, Bonnie, can you make me a flush wedding band? My ring is like this. First of all, you need to design your engagement ring with your wedding band in mind. I know that's kind of crazy where people are like, oh, when I'm getting engaged, how do I know what wedding band I'm gonna wear? Well. You just need to do it because this is something that is big. It directly impacts how your ring set is gonna look, right? I've done the Haley ring with super low profile. I've showed you guys how to pair with different wedding bands, but a lot of my customers who, okay, we've got a contour band that solves that issue. I made that video. I have a contour that where the center stone like just sits right into it, like perfectly, just like this. But they say to me after the fact, like, oh, but what about when I'm not wearing my glorious engagement ring, when I'm not wearing my 3 carat, 2 carat, whatever carat it is, and I just feel like wearing my wedding band? Then there's a hole in the middle, or a curve, or whatever, however your contour band is. And today, I made this glorious, glorious solution here that is going to solve exactly that. Actually, some of my very smart viewers have already commented the solution in my previous video in the comments, but today I actually did it. So let me break it down for you. Let's go. This is just so glorious. So the trick is for the contour band, as you can see, that this is where we put the stone in. So here's that. And when you do that, you put the ring in. Boom, it sits flush. You see that? See how it's completely flush, right? But then I talked about I want to wear it by itself, and then there's this, right? Oh, I don't want that. Well, are you ready? Just turn it. And we set diamonds all the way around. Boom. So there you go. There's your band. Your amazing, gorgeous emerald cut band. And this is hiding in the bottom. Problem solved. There you go. There you have it. What do you guys think? It's amazing. I am so excited to show my client this perfect, because she came to me and she was like, I have this exact issue. What can I do? There's a solution. This will work for any shape, right? Round shape, pear shape, oval shape, but you just need to plan the wedding band ahead of time. I want to know what you guys' thoughts are on this amazing solution. I think it's just so pretty. I don't know. I love it. Comment below and I'll see you in my next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at @ByBonnieJoy. Bye.